The electrician has finished his rough-in, pot lights, all the outlets, and rough-in inspection was approved. So now I'm just working on insulation. And downstairs, I started putting in the wall insulation to it's R22. Done that 2 walls, and now I'm just working under the stairs here. And I gotta get the rest of this exterior wall. And I'll probably even put some insulation on this interior wall just for sound. I'm upstairs today putting the baffles in. They're gonna run from the soffit to my vented ridge line. I've already got them in over here. Just working my way across. And I'm cutting rigid foam to fill the gaps at the top and at the bottoms. So yesterday I was putting in all the baffles and then sealing them with some rigid foam, cutting them out and filling the gap there just to stop any wind. And then I just quickly sprayed around each one to really seal them up. Got power hooked up to the panel today. 100 amps coming out here. Couldn't get enough depth here, so we had to pour concrete over top of it till about here, and then we're good. And we're just backfilling now. Now we're burying the caution electrical buried below tape, and we're gonna cover that. All right, backfill's done. Propane tanks arrived today. Wall furnace will get installed in a week or so that I can continue to be able to work on the interior through the winter. All the wall insulation is in. I just have a few more vapor barriers to put up, and then I'll start the ceiling insulation. This is the bedroom, and that part's done. Move on out. Maybe I'll do out here next. All the ceiling insulation's done. Actually, and all the wall insulation. Passed my insulation inspection.